if I tell you that your curly hair can survive with just one product. Hi, it's your curly bestie Jella. When I was starting my curly hair journey, I thought I needed to buy everything. But then as time passed by, I realized I can survive with just one product. And for context, I wash my hair every day, so I learned how to simplify my routine. And that's when I learned that I can just use a leave-in conditioner. Nothing more, nothing less. I usually start by sectioning my hair while it's still hot. Then I apply a decent amount of leave-in conditioner, just enough to cover all sections of my hair. After product application, I usually just brush it just so I can distribute the products better. To make the styling quicker and easier, I usually use a curly hair styling brush. With small sections of my hair, I usually brush away with a little bit of tension, shake, and scrunch. After that, I usually stick to air drying. And this is what it looks like when dry. And yes, to get this result, I only use one product. And so the next time you see yourself scrolling through a lot of products, then this is a reminder that you don't need too much.